Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Brady Langine, giving you the best cinematic experience of Grenada. In this video, I'm going to show you Mount Carmel waterfall that is located in St. Andrews, close to the Marquee area. It's about 5 minutes or 3 minutes walk from the main road into the waterfall area. So we have the first waterfall is a slide. It's a cascade of probably 2 waterfalls, followed by the major waterfall, which you see behind me. I would like to give a big thumbs up to the community who keep this area in pristine condition at the Mount Carmel waterfall. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I create awesome cinematic videos of nature in Grenada. And if you don't want to miss out, subscribe for more. Leave a like and leave a comment and share my videos if you want the world to see your beautiful Grenada. And I'm going to show you this amazing video. Here we go.